What's going on, guys? Bandholz with Beardbrand Alliance. As you can see, my beard is getting a little rough around the edges. So I'm going to show you how I take care of that using one of my new favorite tools in my beard arsenal, which is the Brio Beardscape. Before I show you how I clean up my neck and cheek line, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why I like using the Brio Beardscape. Now, I've used several beard clippers along the way, along my beard journey, and nothing has really stood out. Like, everything kind of did an okay job. I've been using this now for about a month and a half, and I've been nothing but impressed with the results that it's delivered. So a couple quick things about it. Number one, it's made with a ceramic blade. So what that means is, compared to the normal traditional steel blades, it's going to be a little quieter, and it's also not going to get as hot. Definitely probably experienced this if you used steel blades. After you use them for a while, they tend to generate a little bit more friction, so they get a little hot on your skin. With the ceramic blades, that's not going to happen as quickly. The other thing that I like about it is here you can see there's a little display that shows you how much time you have left on the charge. This will get you about 4 hours when it's fully charged, and it takes about 3 hours for you to charge the clippers. You can also use it while it's plugged in, so that's another handy benefit. Next is it has a pretty versatile cutting range. So on the blades, or on the trimmers itself, you can see the numbers there. There's some down there, so it's adjustable from 1 millimeter all the way up to 1.9 millimeters, and it's adjusted in 0.3 millimeter increments. The other thing is you can change up the RPMs. Which will give you some more time. It also comes with several attachments. You can see they're two-sided, so combined with the adjustments that you can make on the trimmers themselves, you have a lot of options for length. So another feature that I really enjoy about the trimmers is the fact that I can use it on my head. As I said before, it starts at 1 millimeter in length, and that's pretty low. That's enough for me. If I don't feel like shaving, or if you wouldn't feel like using a razor and shaving your head, you could definitely use these to get the job done. I'm going to show you a little bit on the side of my head here. It's a little long. I'm going to show you about how low it can get. So it's pretty low compared to where it was. All right, so I'm going to touch up the other side so you're not distracted by my lopsided sided hair. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I take care of my neck and cheek lines. So what I want to do is I want to come up to this line here. Just make sure it's even so you don't see the hair growing on my neck, and the same on the other side. So down low, I'm not really super concerned about going really high because, you know, the hair is longer, right? So you don't really need to take care of it. And I'm sure, you know, I'll walk around looking up all the time, so it's not something that's easy to see. Okay, that's it. Use a brush and brush it off a little bit. Okay, there we go. Next, I'm gonna clean up my cheek line. I had my hair cut, my beard cut, let's say maybe a week and a half ago. That's about how much growth. I've shaved it a couple times just to clean it up, but go ahead and clean that up again. You want to make sure you're taking your time when you're doing this. You don't want to move the line that's already established. It's also helpful to put your hand on your face and you can pull the skin, and you can also use your hand as a guide to protect your line. So now I'm just gonna brush my beard out a little bit. And then my free hand, I'm gonna use the clippers to just clean it up a little bit. I'm not gonna really take that much hair off of the side of my beard. It's just to kind of get rid of some of the wild ones. So yeah, real quick, down and dirty. If you're in the market for a new set of clippers, or if you have an old set that you're in the market for an upgrade, I highly suggest picking up the Brio Beardscape. It's a premium product, comes at a premium price, but it also comes with several awesome features that you're not gonna get in a cheaper set of clippers. If you're interested, make sure you go to the website. There's a link below that has a great offer with it. So make sure you click that link and don't go to Amazon to buy it because you'll pay a little bit more on Amazon. You can buy it, try it out for 60 days. If you're not satisfied with it, you can return it. The folks at Brio, they have great customer service and they'll be willing to sit down and sort out whatever issues that you have. And it also comes with a 2-year warranty. So that's all I got, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about anything I spoke about today, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, stay safe and I'll see you then.
Woo! Enjoy that video? Well, go ahead, treat yourself to beard oil. We got a new formulation, new packaging, and a new price. Head over to beardbrand.com and take care of yourself, my friends.